Yo, what's going on guys? So today, as you guys saw the title, we have the 16 Pro Max. Let's get it unboxed and set up. So as you guys know, last year I didn't get the 15 Pro Max, and now I did sell my 15 Pro Max to get the 16 Pro Max. Feel along here, open up, and here we go. Wow, it's looking quite nice. So yeah, color choice, it was a bit hard to choose colors. It's really annoying that the Pro models don't have like nice colors compared to the normal base models. They have way better colors, as you guys can see here. So this color is white. So here I do have my previous 15 Pro Max. Ignore the cracked screen protector. So yeah, this is the color. It was like a blue color, and now we have a white. I was gonna get black, but I think it's a bit too similar to this, so we got the white, because there is a size difference now. And I think it went from 6.7 to 6.9. I'm not too sure, but we'll have a look here. Let's open this up. Oh, just smashed the phone. There we go. Whoa. Okay, now come on guys. It's white, looks clean. Yo. Oh my. Yo. Okay, this looks clean. I would say it's slightly bigger. Ever so slightly bigger. And we have the, as you can see here, the new camera something. I forgot the name. The top of it. Wow. Okay, this looks insane. See what else in the box. So yeah, they changed the layout. We have the wire at the top here. I mean the wire with the SIM injector tool. I don't think I've even been needing this. And in the box we have the paperwork as usual, this time without the sticker. But I hadn't even used my sticker from the previous one. But yeah, who actually reads these? Let's peel this. Oh yeah, this looks insane. So what I'm going to do, I'm actually going to do the transfer process from this one to this one, so you guys can watch it, see exactly how it goes. So yeah, and while we're doing that, I do have a case I want to use, a clear case, and the camera bump can be used as a stand. And we also have a screen protector. This one, I went with a different company. Last year I went with a different one, and they had like a black border on it. Don't know if you guys can see the black border here. There's like a black border, which is kind of annoying. And because this one has really thin bezels, I wanted to try another screen protector that doesn't have any black borders, as you can see here, just clear glass. So we'll try this out. We'll put the case on while it's obviously transferring, and yeah. So let's power it on. So let's hold the power button. 1, 2, 3. And yep, it is powering on now. Let's play a game, guys. You have to guess whose mousepad this is. It's another YouTuber. Whoever guesses it gets nothing. Alright, so we have, oh, the bezels are really thin compared to this one. So yeah, here. Oh yeah, I'm actually using the same wallpaper. This is the iOS 18 wallpaper. So yeah, English. Oh look, it even comes up over here. Set up your new iPhone. Yeah. Oh, this is cool. Like this. Ah. Oh, nice. Wow, I really went to dark mode. I'll probably even use light mode since this phone is literally white. Set up for me. Enter the passcode of the old phone. Alright. Set up an eSIM. Nope. So now what we're going to do is we're going to transfer data from this one to this one. Yeah, so there's two options, guys. We can download from iCloud or download straight from the phone. I'll probably do straight from the phone. It should take about 15-20 minutes, which isn't too long. So we're going to copy the apps, we're going to copy the settings, the wallet, and the connection to my Apple Watch. As you can see, it's right here. Continue. Okay, so now we'll see how long it's going to say. And we obviously want to see that we want to apply the screen protector. Okay, only 30 minutes. I think the backup is 33 gigabytes. So 15 minutes for 33 gigabytes should be good. So let's apply this. So we open it here. So as you see, they came with 2, which is quite nice. So that's cool. So some stuff in here. Oh, it's so confusing. I really don't want to mess up. Installation pad. Okay, interesting. We have a whole guide on how to install it. You guys can pause if you want to look at that. Press and slide. Wait 30 seconds apparently. bubble. A perfect application of the screen protector. It does look really nice. I've actually already opened it, have a look at it, it's quite nice. Okay, don't need any of that. I'll just slide the phone in here. As you can see, it has a cutout for the camera control. That's what it's called. Yeah, that's perfect. So we'll just wait for that to transfer. So as you guys can see, it says transfer has been complete here. Somehow the screen just went off. Maybe it's restarting, I don't know. There we go, it seems like it's restarting. I recommend don't erase your phone right now. Make sure you set this up, check all the two-factor authentication apps. We need to go back to this phone, so do not erase it straight away. So effective. Oh nice, it's perfect. Everything is here. So yeah, it does literally feel the same. Let's try the camera control, guys. So it's right here. So we tap it once. Wait, what? Where is it? Oh, that's cool. Kind of sensitive. So wait, how do I... Okay. Okay, it's gonna take some time to get used to, but this is cool. Alright, and that's basically it. Nothing else new with this phone. Well, obviously we're gonna get the Apple Intelligence soon. Something that's not out when the phone comes out. We've got obviously a bigger battery, you know, it's quite a few new changes. Screen is way more better. And yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. And yeah, I'll probably see you next year with the next iPhone. See ya.